Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I need to add about s cosine x. Later that we need to minus about s cosine x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. Next, this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. That means we have s minus s cosine s over s sin s plus cosine s. Next, the integration of s, we have s squared over 2, and we have the bounds from 0 to b, from 0 to b over 2, minus we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. So this one I will put in here, number 0 I will put in here. So we have b squared over 8 Now I need to concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s sin s plus cosine s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of s multiplied by sin s plus first derivative of sin s multiplied by s, and then we do first derivative of cosine s. So this one we have number 1. This one we have cosine s. This one we have negative sin s. So sin s minus sin s, we just have only s cosine s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that's it from here. And later that we put number 0 to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1 when s equals to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 gone here, and we have u equals to b over 2. So this one we change by u. S cosine s ds we change by du. Number 0 we change by number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of du over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to b over 2. So we have the final answer in here. Ln number 1 we have 0, so we just have this one left. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.